Hi and welcome to this YouTube video. So in this video we are going to be writing our first program in C. So as a form of tradition, we are going to be printing out hello world in the terminal. So the first thing I want you to do is create a folder where you are going to keep all your C files and your practice files that you are going to use in this tutorial, so that everything can be structured. So I would create a folder and name it C tutorial. C tutorial. I didn't spell that right. T-U-T-O. Okay. Now once you've done that, I want you to open your Visual Studio Code. Now if you haven't installed Visual Studio Code, or if you haven't set up your development environment for programming in C, there's going to be a link in the description below that takes you to the last video. And in the last video we talked about how to set up the C development environment. So once you've opened your Visual Studio Code, just click this icon right here and then hit open folder. Now I want you to locate the folder that you just created. This is mine, so just open this folder. Now the next thing that we are going to do is we're going to create a file, and then we're going to name this file. You can name it whatever you want, but I would name mine hello.c. So you can see the file has been created for us. So basically I am not going to be explaining the code that we're going to write in this video, so it's just like an introduction and we're just printing out hello world. But in videos that are coming in the future, in future videos in this playlist, we're going to talk about everything that is being typed here, and I'm going to break the concepts of C down so you would understand. So the first thing that we will do is we would say is include angle bracket stdio.h, stdio.h, and then close the angle bracket. And then the next thing we now need to do is say int main, open parenthesis and close it, and then open curly bracket. And then what we now need to say is printf, open parenthesis, and make sure it's double quotes that you create. If not, it's going to give an error. So just say hello world and then \n for a new line, and then a semicolon. So after doing that, we would return 0. So like I said earlier, in future videos we're going to talk about what each of these things mean. I am going to explain it. So now we need to run this code in the terminal. So just right click or come to this icon right here and click run code. So you can see in the terminal it prints out hello world. So we have successfully written our first code, our first program in C, and it's print hello world. So printing hello world is like a tradition. So if you're learning a new language, I guess you would also want to print hello world. So thank you for watching this video. In the next video we're going to talk about variables, what variables are, how we can use them in our code, and how they help our code basically. So thank you for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one.